Glory to my beloved Father YAHVAH, and glory to my beloved YAHOSHUAH as well. For those who deserve, YAHOSHUAH bless all of you. We are entering the time that is really difficult. All of you humans on this planet Earth, and Elia makes you stand firm in a hurry. I emphasize that Elia makes you stand firm in a hurry for those who stand firm and who fight so hard for their holiness and for their righteousness, so that they can enter the heaven of heaven and they will embrace YAHOSHUAH. I make you stand firm because time is near. We are entering August month, and today is August 1st. August month that will begin all dangers for your planet Earth. But it will be accomplished in you, humans, because of your foolishness love for smartphones. That I have advised you, be careful with the smartphones. Do not play it. If it's about news, YAHOSHUAH's internet, no problem. But if you will make a bad adventure, no. Because the fall of those wicked, mindless, it's time for that. And they will use smartphones. It's the smartphones that they will attract you. It's the smartphone that they will control your mind, because the chip is already in it. And it's the smartphone, you who did not accept about the advice, you who lust after men and women, it's through the smartphones that they will attract you. You will remember the words of Elia. You who did not follow, get ready. You will be part of them. I have told you, those wicked mindless would come in August. The fall of those wicked mindless. This month. Danger for those who were in fellowship with evil. I repeat it again. Well, it's danger for those who were in fellowship in evil. You prefer to have friendship between you, not to have friendship with YAHOSHUAH. And it's danger for you. You are the first one who will be part of them. Because you did not take the correction, and that is really danger. Danger for the earth. Let's come back to Isaiah chapter 24. Isaiah chapter 24, verse 3. The earth will be completely laid waste and totally plundered. YAHVAH has spoken this word. Your planet Earth will be plundered. You will be plundered. And to plunder you is the smartphones in your hand. That there is the electronic chips that was taught in 2001. Was it in 2001 or 2003? Your planet Earth will be plundered, and those who will plunder your planet Earth, they will fall this month. And you will see that ugly picture. Is it clear? After that plundering, the devils, those wicked mindless, they will boast and show off that they are the strongest. And many of you will be part of them. You who think that you are the small lambs, you will be part of them. And you, the earth, you will be part of them. And the devils will claim that they are the most powerful, and everyone will be part of them. That is it. The earth is totally plundered. It is already in your hands. That technology that is coming soon, human will get a wonder that I have told you for a long time. There is a wonder. According to you humans, it's like this, how you spell it. E-O-U-N-D-I-U-M. It's our term that you steal it. E-O-U-N-D-I-U-M. If it's the Evangelium of the heaven of heaven, if we take that tool, we can see everything from here to the gate of the heaven of heaven. Yeah, that's right. If Eliab puts it here, we can see everything from here to above up there. But for humans, what they are doing is the technology of the devils. That is a fake peace. And the devils, they believe in that. There is going to be established that fake peace. I teach you that technology, that the devils are hiding that, but I spill the beans. You're here that you can control whatever your wife is doing. That is the technology ongoing. Men and women, they are really happy about that. Yeah, I will catch you. For those who have bad mindset, and people might think that that is the peace for them. It's like all marketing is in the smartphone, and it's like good. However, it's the wicked mindless. That's why I have told you, all presidents are the friends. That's why I have told you, get away from that position if you don't want to be part of them, but stay there if you want to be striked. They're in that situation. And when that will be ongoing well and people will believe in, well, they will believe in the things what those wicked mindless devils and Satan will do. They are under Luna's grade. And people will be happy and they will come to the devil. And this world will run to them, because there is no one like them. It's like that. Who can fight against them? To fight against them, you cannot. Their technology is really wonderful. Their way is really wonderful. They're in that situation that people will say, we are in peace. Because it's really, people will be happy to see that, because it's like a pact. Really, it's like an agreement. They're in that situation, they are in peace. Obviously, it's about Gog's entrance. When that will occur, Gog will come. That's why Putin must give up on his position next year, not this year. And no one can take him away from his position. It's only the words of Eliab that can take him away from his position. But Gog must enter. That powerful tool will come. many of those tools you haven't seen with your eyes. That is the way that people will run to Gog. People will rebel, and they will go to the beast because no one cannot fight against him. It's really wonderful what he is going to show, therein showing his force and authority. Your planet Earth is broken up. That is it in the verse 19. The earth is broken up. The earth is split asunder. The earth is violently shaken. The earth reels like a drunkard. It sways like a hurt in the wind. And after that, when you will see that people will run to the devils, and you will go there as well. You will go there. Those who did not stand firm, those who did not follow the words of Eli, you know that. And those who despised and underestimated the words of Eli, whoever you were, Japanese, African, English, American, French, whoever underestimated the words of Eli, it will be accomplished in you. Those fires that you have thought about, it's about the greenhouse effect. It's the greenhouse effect causes. Even you who know about greenhouse, you don't know how to solve that problem. Why don't you solve it? But it's so bad for those who are in that problem. Even what you see, even just 5 out of 1,000, it's nothing what you have seen. It's just the advertisement that you have seen. Even your planet Earth is really burned. Even it's really nothing. Humans, it's nothing what you have seen. And Elia calls scientists solve what is going to happen. What is going to be the causes of that? I make you ready. You have seen to have a headache. Maybe you haven't had that, but it's better to have a headache. It's better to have a headache than this one I say. Your face, humans, it will be melted. To accomplish the word, their flesh shall consume away while they stand upon their feet. And you will feel sooner as well. Each of us has our own sooner. Just listen to my words. But you will hear about what I have explained to you. It's split there. It may be every day, every 2 days, every 3 days, or every week, or every 2 weeks. It's split there, and after 2 weeks, another area is split, and after 1 week, another area is split, and you don't care because it's every week, and you do not care because it's just every week, and it's split there, and it will be broadcasted on the news that another area is broken up, and it will be decreased one day. Another area is broken up, and every 1 day another area is broken up, and you will hear that, and your planet Earth will be broken up every hours and every 5 minutes in all areas to accomplish the words that your planet Earth is broken up. Remember the words of Elia. And your planet Earth, it will sway like a hurt in the wind. It's time to accomplish that. It's like in the field that YAHVAH and YAHOSHUAH with their teams that they have sent in one field to show that YAHVAH's power, and the team of those wicked, mindless, they are on the field as well, and they call people to come to them. But at that time, it's this month, this August month. You who don't believe in, I invite you, don't believe in our words, because it's not good for you, our words. For those who despise you, who are abroad, you who did not believe in our words, but you loved, call your gods, call your scientists to face the words of Elia, because it's on the field. And call what you are thinking, because they are on the field as well. We are all on the field. So the one, they attract people to come to the devils and to get away from Yahushua, because the devils will perform signs. They will show their tools in your hands to attract you. Danger in that tool, in your smartphones. You will love devils. With your mind will love devils. It's really easy about that manga, the cartoon manga. There is really nothing about the story people are telling about Korean and the others that is so funny. It's not that. It's the danger you're going to see sooner. It's really sooner. Our feet is stepping that month. The smartphone will attract you. That will attract you to love devils if you love or you don't like. And I truly tell you, it's already inside the smartphone, the electronic chip that I have taught you. The electronic chip is the tool that those wicked mindless will use. It's already in your hand. And that electronic chip, that will become the tool that you will fall in love with devils. You will fall in love with devils because of your smartphones. That's why I have told you, only follow my words. That's only you can watch on internet. Don't make a bad adventure just a second, that you will be lost there. If you do not appreciate what is going to pass there, no problem. For example, the picture will pass under your eyes and you just scroll up, but you will, because you will search for what you are going to search. Go to the website. In case you are searching for a news, I have told you it's really dangerous. Don't make a bad adventures. For you who are following the words of Elia, continue following the words of Elia. But you who did not follow the words of Elia, continue not to follow the words of Elia. For those who will not go to the heaven of heaven, but those who will go to the heaven of heaven, always follow the words of Elia. But if everyone strives on, there is the courage, you can win. If you strived on, if you know how to strive on, and you are given the force and the power to fight, that's what is happening. We are all on the field. And your planet Earth will be broken up. You cannot answer anymore about, it's about greenhouse effect. Your planet Earth will be broken up. So why? It's the greenhouse effect is the cause. And you will remember, when your planet Earth will be broken up, and you know it's the land is broken up. And remember my words, where is the solution? And this is the only one solution. How beautiful is the feet of the one on the mountain who bring good tidings, that bring salvation and peace. It's the feet that step on the land. There is someone who has a good feet. It's in his place, the solution. Think about that. What is the continuation of that words? But I will not continue. If you see your planet Earth will be broken up, what is the solution? Scientists, how to run away from the Earth is broken up. But it will be shaken in you, the planet Earth, and wherever your feet will step on, the earth must be shaken in you. If you are still a human and you step on this planet Earth, and you must feel that planet Earth will be shaken. No humans can say that we haven't seen that, and we will not see that. And you will look for humans who can solve this problem, because the houses will be collapsed. In the house you are scared. Outside the house you will be frightened, because the land is like they're securing you. They will chase you. That is it. The earth is already broken up and split it asunder. Inside the house you'll be collapsed with the house. So where are you going to go? You don't know the solution. So create or build wings from now on, and you will fly away in the air. That is your solution for you. My word, I truly tell you, don't listen to the words of Elijah anymore. But if you want to go to the heaven of heaven, and those pictures will happen to you, remember the words of Elijah. That is it. Our words are not forcefully to be believed in, but those who will go to the heaven of heaven know how to listen to our words. But if you will not go there, don't care of our words. However, inside the teaching, there are words about your planet Earth will be burned. Even 2 months later, the land is burnt up. It's like that. In America, it's burnt up, including Canada, Texas. I don't follow it well anymore. In Europe, it's burnt. In France, Spain, and many areas that are burnt. In Turkish, in Tunisia, those are African area. In the area of Algeria, all of your areas, your planet Earth is burnt. So, the words are accomplished for those who will go to the heaven of heaven, but for those who will not go there, it's not accomplished. Especially for Madagascar, that there is nothing happening to you. I advise you, Malagasy people, be careful with the name of the place, Vatumand. Now you see me speak in hints. I speak indirectly because it's you who taught me that. That is it. For Madagascar, who say that nothing is happening here, be careful in Tamatave. Fatmand and Tamatave, that is Madagascar children. Aren't those Madagascar? Madagascar cannot get away from Tamatave and Vatmand. Elia is laughing at you. For you who are around the world, your feet are going to shake, and do not run away. It cannot be away from you, because the earth is really broken up, and the earth is split asunder. That is it. I wish you to know how to stand firm well. For you who will follow Elia, you know how to follow the words of Elia. You who love YAHOSHUAH well, because you don't know how to go to YAHOSHUAH without Elia. I wish you to stand firm and to obey the words well, and you will protect the words well. Time is really near. I truly tell you, protect well. It's not time for sleeping anymore. All keys are with Elia. All truth are with Elia. And your salvations, humans, so that you know the one who is from the heaven of heaven is arrived. So it's an indirect word. It's through the food that you were killed. The food that made you die. Isn't it the food that made you separate from that YAHVAH? The food of your ancestor. You ate that food and you were dead and you were separated from that YAHVAH. The sins entered. So that food is your problem, and humans must look for food. So when that YAHVAH will bring his answer with that picture, it must be through food that he will bring his answer. Where will you see that food? Look for that on your planet Earth. Someone has that in you. Where to find that? But it's the food that brought death in you. But it's the food that will heal you. The wise see the danger and they take shelter, but the fool keep going and they face the consequences. Smart people, they see the goodness and they come. But the dumb, they don't care and they die. It's an indirect word that I gave you. Guess what I meant? I have given you some hints, but we are entering the end time. That's why I have told you, always follow the words of Elia. That is your only one key. It's really clear, the words, the declaration is really clear. The key is with him. I wish you to be blessed by YAHOSHUAH. That is the teaching number 23. The key is with Elia. Look for the solution with him. For those who believe him, you are blessed if your way is wonderful. You will see that sooner. But you who don't believe in until the end. You who did not care of the words, and you were in the fellowship with evil, continue your way. It's you who chose that. You who did not follow the words, don't follow it anymore. But it will be accomplished in you. Those who do right, they will continue to do right. Those who are holy, they will continue to be holy. You are already righteous in YAHOSHUAH, and blessed those who are righteous in YAHOSHUAH, and blessed those who have been made righteous by YAHOSHUAH, because they have the access to go to the eternal life, to go to YAHOSHUAH. You who are chosen, you are blessed. You who are called, you are blessed, because the end is near. It's really at the age. Really at the age. Really at the age. As a proof, those fires that you don't know how to put off, you will blame each other. Someone did it. Maybe that it will just be on fire just like that. Thank each other. That is the words of Elia. Know how to fight so hard, you. Know how to fight so hard, because it's a war, it's a fight. It's not easy anymore. We are entering the Mount August Olivet, or on the field. Those who are with Elia, they follow the words of Elia and they are carefully. But those who will be with Baal and Lune, go with them somewhere else. Those who will follow Elia to go to beloved Father YAHVAH, the God of Abraham and YAHOSHUAH, follow me, Ziadia, Elia. But those who will be with Baal, with loony devils and Satan, follow them. And if you follow Elia, follow what I have said. It's not a time for joke that you will be sluggish. It's the maximum of your speed. We go and come on. No one can look at your side anymore. For you who are abroad, if you are convinced, enter and come to Elia. Call Elia. As long as you have time to call, but time will come that the airplanes will disappear. That will begin. They will fly and they will not be seen. And it's not one, it's 10. And that will scare you sooner to board on airplanes. But because of humans' business, and they must board on airplanes that only the airplanes that where Elia is, they cannot touch it. The airplanes that Elia is boarding on. Time is really near. It's not waiting for a long time anymore. The wise see the danger and they take shelter, but the fool keep going and they face the consequences. That is the end of my declaration. Yahushua bless you, those who deserve. Come in a hurry, those who are abroad. Come in a hurry, in case you'll be lost there. Wave your hands for the farewell. See you tomorrow.